5 Best Mirrorless Cameras in 2019. Hello people, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll talk about the 5 best mirrorless cameras in 2019. Remember to check out the links for these in the description below. Let's get started with the video. Fujifilm X-T30. Fujifilm X-T30 has an aluminum alloy body that weighs just 383 grams and is resistant to moisture and dust. It has a 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and a 3-inch tiltable touch-sensitive LCD screen. The Fujifilm X-T30 records excellent 4K videos at 30 frames per second and captures great images. Battery life is impressive at 380 shots on a full charge, with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support and a great autofocus system. The Fujifilm X-T30 offers excellent value for money in the mid-range segment. Fuji X-T30's body, along with an 18 to 55mm lens, sells for around $1,300. Canon EOS RP. If you're looking for a smaller, lighter, full-frame mirrorless camera, Canon EOS RP is an ideal choice. It boasts a range of features, including 26.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, 4K video recording at 25 frames per second, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, fast autofocus speed of 0.05 seconds, and a 3-inch touchscreen LCD. Canon EOS RP has a decent battery life of around 240 shots. It is lightweight at 485 grams, and the body is available for around $1,200. Nikon Z6. Nikon Z6 is a top-notch full-frame mirrorless camera that is equipped with 24.5 megapixel FX CMOS sensor and can shoot stunning 4K videos at 30 frames per second. This mirrorless camera has a wide ISO sensitivity range of 100 to 51,200 and comes with support for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It has a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen and a rechargeable battery that gives around 300 shots on a full charge. Camera body weighs about 585 grams and comes with extensive weather sealing. Nikon Z6 body with the Nikkor 24 to 70mm lens has a price tag of $2,600. Panasonic Lumix GX9. The Panasonic Lumix GX9 is probably the smallest mirrorless camera on this list. Its body weighs just 407 grams and has a beautiful leather-style coating. The GX9 comes with a 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor and records 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Other features include a 3-inch tiltable touchscreen, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and a 5-axis in-body image stabilization. Camera body with a 12 to 60mm lens sells for $1,000 at most places. Sony A6400. The Sony Alpha A6400 comes with a super-fast autofocus speed of 0.02 seconds and accompanies a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. Other features include 4K recording, a 3-inch tiltable touchscreen, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, ISO range of 100 to 32,000, light body weight at only 403 grams, and a battery life of 360 shots. Sony A6400's body, along with a 16 to 55mm lens, retails for around $999. What do you guys think? Which mirrorless camera do you think is the best? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How to Go Pro. For more great videos just like this one, hit that bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.